Good morning. These are some important questions for NEET exam 2024 as well as CUET exam. So we are taking the first question, that is fifth question. From bottom I will start. The number of electron delivered at cathode by 1 ampere 1 ampere current and 60-second time. So we know that Q is equal to IT and also Q is equal to NE. So we will use this formula. What is I? 1 ampere. What is time? 60 second. Number of electrons, that is you have to find out n, and we know the charge on one electron is 1.602 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So on solving this you will get the value of n that you can solve yourself. So I am erasing this question. Now fourth question, E naught cell is negative and you have to find out the correct relationship. We know that delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. So if this is negative, 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 positive, delta G will be positive. That means delta G will be greater than 0. So either A or B option is correct, not C and D. Next is K equilibrium. We know that equilibrium constant is, that is Kc. We are having this formula, delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. So if this is positive, and this can be positive only when this will be negative. Why? Because we are having this negative sign. So when this is negative and this is also negative, only we can get this delta G positive. That means Kc will be negative, and Kc negative means that equilibrium constant is less than 0. So option will be, this A option will be correct. Now moving to third question, coplanar molecule. So for coplanar molecule the hybridization should be sp2. So in only first case we are having a biphenyl. In all the carbon atom are sp2 hybridized. So this is the correct option. sp3 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized, 2 cyclohexane, sp3 hybridized. So answer is this. This is a coplanar molecule. Second question is very important, that is Jahn-Teller effect. And for Jahn-Teller effect you have to remember that those coordination compound molecules in which d orbital is unsymmetrically filled, and d orbital means T2G and Eg. T2G, Eg. So for D7, and it is also given that it is a high spin, that means maximum number of electrons should be unpaired. So in D7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we can see that this is unsymmetrically filled. Okay, but you have also remember that unsymmetrically filled should be in Eg. Eg should be unsymmetrically filled, but we are having T2G unsymmetrically filled. Actually this is also, this molecule will also show Jahn-Teller distortion, but intensity will be very less. If the Eg is unsymmetrically filled, intensity will be very high. So we are keeping this as an option, but we will also see the second option, D8. In D8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is symmetrically filled, fully filled, half filled. So this is symmetrically, this is unsymmetrically. Now move to D4. In D4, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in Eg we are having only one electron. So this is unsymmetrically filled and the unsymmetry is in Eg orbital. So our answer will be D4. So whenever there will be unsymmetrical filling in Eg orbital, the molecule will exhibit Jahn-Teller distortion. Now the first question, that is very simple. We have to find out isostructural and isoelectronic. Isostructural hybridization should be same for isostructural, and isoelectronic number of electrons should be same. So for first molecule carbonate ion and second is nitrate ion. So in carbonate ion, carbon is having 4 electron in outermost shell and plus 2 negative charge will be added, and oxygen is having 6 electron in its outermost shell. 6 3 is 18, 3 oxygen atom, so we will get 24 electrons. Now nitrate ion, nitrogen is having 5 electron in its outermost shell, so we will take 5 negative charge, add 3 oxygen atom, 1 oxygen is having 6 electron in valence shell, 6 is a 18, 18, 19, 5, 24 electrons. So these two molecules are having same electrons, that is isoelectronic, same number of electrons. Now we are looking for hybridization. So hybridization of carbon is having 4 electron in outermost shell, 2 will be added. Oxygen, since a bivalent atom, it will be not be included in the formula. So for hybridization, you will take the central atom, its valence electron, and you will add the number of electrons, that is charge. So negative charge will be added and positive charge will be subtracted, and then divide by 2, we will get 3, that is sp2 hybridization. For nitrate ion, hybridization of nitrogen will be nitrogen 5 electron in outermost shell, oxygen not included, negative charge add, divided by 2, 3, sp2. So both are having same hybridization, that means structure of both the molecule will be same. So this is all for today's class. We will see other 5 questions in next class.